Hey guys, Voinski here from carlyvoinski.com, and today we're talking about how to stay keto when you are at parties and barbecues. So I'm at a barbecue today, and what's really cool is that a lot of the people at this barbecue are already eating keto, low carb, keto-ish, lazy keto, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to be able to go ahead, check out some of the food, check out what's happening, and I'll be able to show you how you can stay on track as you go for your goals while still being able to be social, have fun, and hang out with your friends. So as you can see, we have a lot of the staples. There's guacamole, there's salsa, there's all sorts of things, and while there's chips for some people, there are wisps, which are great cheese chips for us. And we have buffalo chicken dip, which is still awesome to have. There's sparkling water for those who make cocktails. They are using the sparkling water to do that. You can do that. There are meats and cheeses and olives, and when we start grilling, I will come back and show you what's on the grill.
Or Maggie? Matt, is it Maggie or Maddie?
Who? That's Gracie.
Gracie.
So it's neither.
So it's neither.
A really great barbecue party tip is don't hang around the food all the time. Go find something fun to do, like cornhole or can jam or anything, but remove yourself from the counter where all of the food is. Okay, so we have chicken drumsticks with actual sugar-free barbecue sauce on them. G. Hughes, just like what I love. Skip the buns, you don't need it. Then we have hot dogs, hamburgers, cheeseburgers, which is all good.
Can I have a hot dog?
Yeah, you can have a hot dog. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Then we've got tomato is good in portion control. But then these are cool. These are actual like pickle chips. And then you're gonna wanna skip the corn because that is super not low carb. Over here we have more chicken, and over here is salmon. Look at that. So you guys can you can bake it, you can grill it. There are keto options. What do you think is a keto option when you're eating at a barbecue?
Corn.
No.
Salmon.
Salmon, there you go, okay. So we're heading out, and as you can see, there are so many options and so many easy ways for you to stick to your keto, keto-ish, low carb, lazy keto, whatever it is you're doing. You can stick to it when you're at a party, at a barbecue. Enjoy your summer, have a blast, and stick to it and crush your goals as you do it. If you've liked this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified of all new content coming out.